Hi guys! Today's video is the final one in the series about Jaguar X-type oxygen sensors. The previous two videos were about upstream O2 sensors, and now I'll show you how to remove bank 1 and bank 2 downstream sensors. So let's begin with the bank 2 sensor. It is located behind the radiator at the front end of the engine bay. By the way, this video was taken some 2 months ago, before I replaced the thermostat. That's why here you can see an old thermostat, rusty bolts and a leaking housing. First of all, I unplug the black connector attached to the battery tray and make free the O2 sensor wire secured with a clip. I make use of a 22mm wrench to loosen the O2 sensor, but in your case it can be stuck in place because of rust and you may need a special socket for O2 sensor to loosen it. As for the bank 1 O2 sensor, which is situated by the bulkhead at the back end of the engine bay, here you will definitely need a special socket for O2 sensors. You'll also need 2 universal joints, 2 extensions and a ratchet. First of all, I detach the coolant hose from the intake manifold, unplug the black connector under the windshield and fit the socket over the O2 sensor. I'll give the OEM number of a downstream sensor in description below, together with the link where you can buy it. When loosening the sensor, I hold the extension with my left hand and pull the ratchet with the right hand, you see. It's not quite difficult when you know what all this looks like and where it is located. And that's why I did my best to show you everything in details. Maybe the quality of video is not excellent, but the garage where I took the video was poorly illuminated and was not initially designed for YouTubers. At least those X-typers who are about to remove the sensor have got an idea how they can do it. If you find this video helpful, just don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel.